Hello everyone, welcome to a new and useful video. First of all, I hope you subscribe to the channel. I hope you enjoy watching. Accumulation of tartar on the teeth can cause several oral and general health damages. Here is a comprehensive explanation of the harms of dental tartar. 1. Causing cavities. Tartar contributes to the formation of a suitable environment for bacteria that cause cavities, turning into a solid layer known as plaque. This layer retains bacteria and acids, increasing the likelihood of tooth decay. Gingivitis, gum inflammation. Tartar buildup leads to gum irritation and contributes to the development of gingivitis, which may eventually lead to more significant issues such as periodontitis and tooth loss. Bad breath. Tartar buildup can contribute to emitting undesirable odors in the mouth due to its interaction with bacteria. Yellowing of teeth. Tartar tends to absorb color from beverages and food, contributing to the yellowing of teeth and the loss of their natural shine. Reducing toothbrush and toothpaste effectiveness. The presence of tartar reduces the effectiveness of toothbrushes and toothpaste. Tartar can move from teeth to other areas in the mouth, leading to the formation of deposits and bacterial accumulation. Impact on dental treatments. Tartar buildup can make dental procedures such as teeth whitening or the application of clear aligners less effective. To avoid these damages, it is recommended to maintain a regular oral care routine, including brushing your teeth, using dental floss, and scheduling regular visits to the dentist for periodic cleanings.